laptops, televisores y otros dispositivos.
At all levels. And a lot of the conversations I had with players about safety were very similar to those I've had with men playing the auxiliary.
Sí, de peanut butter cup. 905-7186. Eso es 800-905-70.
Rotating to this, fix it for them because of the American League. Ruiz of Oakland has. On there. Dizzy posting on whether or not.
Well, what are our? We're not saying women are doing it. I think we live in this interesting time with our assumptions about female athletes. You know, mixed martial arts is a sport I've written about, and Dana White, you know, has been the face of the UFC for a really long time. I mean, he told me he didn't think people would want to watch women beat each other up, and then Ronda Rousey and